What's up guys, how you all doing? For today's video I'm going to put to the test world's smallest folding saw, but at the same time high quality. So this is a Silky Pocket Boy, 130mm or 5 inches. So let's open it up. This is a high quality saws. You probably have seen some of my video, not everybody but most of you I have put to the test. This is a big boy folding saw, super nice. And then I put to the test this 350 folding saw. You have to unspin right here and they are power. Everybody should have one of these. And then I have put to the test even bigger one, Katana Boy 650, super power. They have made even bigger one, but those are really hard to get. So why not put to the test this world's smallest folding saw? You press it right here, boom. Whoa, maybe too far. There you go. So this is what it looks like. You can, looks like, fold it this way just in case you need to. That is interesting. And then there's another option like that. That's it. Yeah, 2 settings. Okay, I like it this way. So let's put it to the test. Let's start to chop off twig right here. Super fast. Wow, what a precision. For these little things it's almost too easy. Start to use it on something big like this little log. It's pretty thick. Wow. There you go. So easy. Then I can chop off the small twigs right here. This could be the best pocket folding saw right here for sure. For firewood, for camping. And then once again I can chop them up instead of breaking it. Bunch of twigs. That's obviously super easy even to break it. So that way I can easily start a fire. This one would be a little bit harder to break. And it's only getting thicker and thicker. Easy. Now it's even thicker. See what happens. Wow, power. Let's see if this thing can chew through this log. It's so thick, cannot almost get through much. Alright, let's see. Look at that. I can't believe it. Halfway through. Definitely not the easiest thing to do because it's just so thick. But look, it's cutting through so fast. I'm almost all the way through. Can you believe it? It's almost not thick enough on this side. Barely an inch. I can't believe it. Wow. So much power. I cannot believe it. So easy at the same time. It does take a lot of energy compared to 15 inches, but wow, powerful little toy right here. Boom. As big as my hand. And just to remind you, let me show you how powerful this 650 is. As you can see, this is a loose tree. Even though it's loose, not a big deal. I can even use it to my advantage. It is cutting itself pretty much. Power. And again, I can just fold it. All the way. Boom. These things are awesome. So now I almost have the full collection of these silky folding saws. By the way, I made a little mistake. I got a Katana Boy 500 and Katana Boy 650. I said 350, so I misspoke. But there you go, guys. What do you think? Super powerful pocket saw instead of bringing this giant one. That's a cool substitute. This one definitely won't fit your pocket, but this one will, and chops through wood so fast. Honestly, whoops, it could be an amazing tool for camping, for bonfires and all those things. Instead of breaking all those twigs, especially thickest ones, good luck. This is make it a lot easier. But at the same time, you don't need to bring a giant saw with you. Anyways, let me know in comments below what do you think about this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.